It is time to open our daily boxes for the Stitch Supply Company. Hey, I'm Becky from Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group, where I help you finish what you start, use what you have, and build friendships without even leaving your home. You are invited to join me there if you are interested. Check the link in the description. All right, we are going to open this every day, and you're going to see what's inside and what is included. Let's check it out. Day 20. Here we go. Day 20. A tiny ruler. I don't know. It's getting hard. Metal goose. I have no idea what this is. What? It's a rotary cutter with a tape measure. I don't know what metal goose is, but I already love them. How do I not know what that is? Okay, it says caution, it's sharp, so just so you know. Oops. Oh, I don't need that. Okay, the struggle is real here. Oh my heck. I don't think I need instructions, but just in case you do, they come with it. Okay. What in the world? I'm going to have to try this. Here's my cutting mat that was just across the way. I've been sewing Dresden plates, and so here's all my cut ends. And of course, I'm going to have to try this out. Okay, so... Oh, okay. So that locks it in. All right. And then the big button pushes it down. So you got to push both of those up, just so you know. And of course, I move. What in the world? I mean, it's sharp, like nobody's business. It is a little awkward, however, that's cute. And then on the other side, of course, is the tape measure, which you need at everywhere you go. This could be really handy. So that locks it. If the button is down, it locks it, so you can't push that up and it won't pop out at all. Visually, it's a little hard to see, but I do love me a good gadget. So there you go.